Hello guys, my name is BrainPower. Today, I want to explain to us how to make use of BrainPower-Jamb Practice App for Jamb preparation. So if you're writing Jamb this year, you know that this particular video is for you. BrainPower-Jamb Practice App is actually a practical application designed to help Jamb, that is candidates who are preparing for Jamb. It contains more than 60,000 past questions and answers with their detailed solutions. BrainPower-Jamb Practice App is of two versions. The Android version runs on Android devices like our cell phone, while the Windows version runs on laptop or desktop computer. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the Android version. So right now, let's launch the Android version from our phone. But in case you don't have it already on your phone, just go straight to Play Store and search for BrainPower Jamb Practice App and install it. Okay, right now I want to launch the Brain Power on my phone. That is the Android version. I'll click on it. Okay, this is the first page, the home page. You look up here, there's a button that says take an exam. When you're okay, so you might be seeing the second button that says activate. So ignore the activate button and click on take an exam. So I'll click my own. All right. Now we have subject selection page. This is where we make selection for subject before we start the exam properly. English is compulsory. Under selected subject, you see that English has been selected by default. And year 2024 has been selected, though you can still change the year if you wish. Okay, so I will now choose three more subjects before I'll now start the exam. So I will choose a mathematics, I'll choose the year I want to answer, I choose chemistry, I'll choose the year. Say I choose the economics, I'll select the year. Then I will now click start exam. But if I will start the exam properly, there are some things I need to point out here. First, we have two option buttons at the very top. The first one says use Jamb standard time, while the second says manually set time. Okay. So if you allow the default setting, which is a Jamb standard time, then you are using the Jamb time. But if you want to manually time yourself, then you click on the manually set time. All right. I'll click on it now. Then I'll choose hour. I'll choose minute. Then if I wish, I'll choose a second. Then and I say okay. You see the time I selected just appeared. All right. Secondly, we have some icons under the selected subject. Take for instance, if I want to change the year for economists, I'll click on that particular icon. All right. You see, it will now drop the years under economics there for me to make another selection. Okay, now, if I want to remove economics and add another subject, say physics, I will click on the delete. Then I'll say yes. Then the economics is gone. I'll now choose the physics I want to include. As you can see, all right, the physics has there. Enter. Next, now I will click start exam. Okay, there's an instruction here, so you just read it out on your own. Okay, so at the very top we have English, mathematics, chemistry, and physics. All right, so by default English has been selected as the first subject to answer. Now if I want to jump to mathematics, I'll just go up here and click on mathematics. See, the questions under the mathematics will appear. The same thing applies to other subjects like chemistry and physics. As you can see, we have an icon that looks like speaker. All right, so that icon is actually used to read out the questions and the options. So let me click on this particular one now.
Fats and oils are
As you
esters
can
of
see, it's
fatty
now
organic
reading out the
acids combined with
questions.
a trihydric alcohol commonly referred to as Option A, ethanol. Option B, methanol. Option C, glycol. Option D, glycerol.
Okay, now under the attempted level, we have about 40 boxes, depending on the question and the number of questions the subject has. You get? Take for instance, if I go to English, since English contains 60 questions, we're now having about 60 boxes here. All right. Now, if I go back to mathematics, this mathematics 2024 contains 40 questions. That's why we're having 40 boxes. Okay. Now, if for example I want to go to number two, If I was in number 1, I want to go to number 2, I'll use next. I'll click on next. Yes. But if I want to go to number 20, of course, you know that it will take more time for me to use next up to 20 times in order to get to number 20. So I will just rather click on the box at number 20 so that the 20th question will appear. As you can see, another feature of this app is that the question you are currently on, the box representing that particular question always appear different from others. As you can see now, the number 17 boss here appears different from other bosses, and the character is bigger than others. That's how to know the particular question you are currently on. Again, if you watch closely, you find out that there are some bosses that have background color changed to light green. These are the ones who have attempted. So when you attempt to any question, the background color of that boss will change to light green. Then the ones that have not attempted will remain white. So if I'm done with this question, sorry, this exam, and I want to submit, I'll just go under here and click on submit. It will ask if I actually want to end the exam. Then I'll not say yes, then it will mark it and show me my results. The exam has been marked now. You can see from the boxes, you can easily detect the ones you failed and the ones you got correctly. And from the box here now, we got number 10 correctly. You can see we got number 33 correctly, 34. It's also showing on the box. All right. Then if I want to check the detailed solutions, then I'll click on detailed solution here. You see, this is the solution to this particular number 23. All right. Even after marking, you still want to read out your questions and the options. Then you click on
The school
the
sensitivity to the
speaker
test are
icon.
recorded as follows: 4, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 3, and 5. Find the mode of the mark. Option A, 2. Option B, 3. Option C, 4. Option D, 5. The correct option is B, 3.
Okay. So we have ended the exam. If I want to start new exam, I'll click on new exam. If I want to view my result, again, I'll click on view result. You can see. So let me click on new exam. Then it will now take me to subject selection page. Before I end this video, please, if you have any of your friends that you want to share this app with, or you belong to any Jamb group, say any Jamb group that you want to share this app with, just go up here, click on this yellow icon. This is a share icon. Click on it. Then now select a you want to use. For instance, WhatsApp. I just click on WhatsApp, then locate the group I want to share it with, then click on it and share.